So for question 12, it says that what is the least integer n such that 1 divided by 2 raised to the power n is going to be less than 0.001. So we need to find the least value of n, or the smallest value of n, which is an integer, such that this inequality holds, or this inequality is true. Okay, so those who are familiar with mathematics and have been solving questions or are good with mathematics, they will find this question quite easy. But even for those who haven't worked on mathematical problems in recent times, they do not need to get intimidated, because this is a simple question. We just need to break it into few small steps and make it easy to solve. Okay, so first thing, let me just write the inequality. So 1 divided by 2 raised to the power n should be less than 0.001. Now we know that if I want to remove this decimal place, I need to divide it with 1000. Why 1000? Because after decimal there are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Okay. Now we have this. Again, what I want to do is, I want to even further simplify this. I can write it as 1000 less than 2n. Now if you are asking how did we jump from this step to this, it involves two intermediary steps which I haven't written, but for your understanding I'll write it over here. Okay, over here. So in the first step we have this. What I did was I multiplied both sides by 1000. So these two get cancelled out and we have 1. So we got 1000 by 2n less than 1. And in the second step I multiplied both sides by 2 raised to the power n. 2 raised to the power n, 1000, 2 raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power n. So this becomes 1000 less than 2 raised to the power n. Now we can do this question simply by just putting the value of options, the values from options, these 4 options, in this equation or in this inequality, such that 2 raised to the power n should be greater than 1000. Okay, so first we'll try option A. Option A, n is equal to 10. That means 2 raised to the power 10. Now we need to find 2 raised to the power n and check whether it is greater than 1000 or not. If you use your calculator, you will get an answer equal to 1024. So 1024 or 1024 is greater than 1000. Now this is an integer which satisfies this inequality, but we need the least integer. So if I check other options, so 11 is greater than 10, 500 is greater than 10, 501 is also greater than 10. So out of these 4, 10 is the least integer. And also option E doesn't make sense because it says there's no such value, but we have a value. Hence I will select option A because this is the least integer that is satisfying this inequality. That is, if I put n equal to 10 and solve 2 raised to the power n, I am getting a value of 1024 that is greater than 1000. Hence option A is correct.